Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be another Dollar Tree haul. So the Dollar Tree put out their Christmas stuff, and first of all, I can't believe they did that. It's only what, November? Is it November? It's August. October. The Dollar Tree has actually put out their Christmas stuff, and I grabbed a whole bunch of stuff, as much as I can, to show you guys real quick. So if you want to see what these fun things are, then stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy. I'm a BSN RN, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, a little bit of vlogging. I talk about feminine hygiene, and I just talk about a whole bunch of stuff. And recently I started doing these Dollar Tree hauls that you guys love, so I'm gonna try to keep them coming because I myself love the Dollar Tree. So if you would like to join my family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. With that being said, let's get into today's video. So in true Christmas fashion, I have my Christmas sweater on. It's kind of like a winter white. I have the turtleneck just to get you in that Christmas spirit as I get ready to show you guys these things. Because last time I checked, it is not Christmas. It's not even close to Christmas. We're just in October. So I don't know why these stores are putting these Christmas stuff out so early. But if I didn't tell you guys this before, Christmas is my all-time favorite holidays, except for my birthday. But besides that, Christmas is my all-time. Christmas is the only holiday that I actually go all out for. So this year I'm so excited because last year when I joined YouTube, I wasn't able to do Vlogmas. So Vlogmas is just when people vlog from, I think, the 1st of December all the way till the 24th, I think. They vlog every single day. I wasn't able to do it last year because I had just joined YouTube. I didn't really know my way around. I didn't know what I was doing. So, but I really wanted to do it. But this year, by God's grace, I'm going to do Vlogmas because Christmas, once again, is my favorite holiday. I'm gonna walk you guys through everything, from every piece of Christmas decor, everything I do over the holiday, shopping for presents. I'm just gonna show you guys everything. That is why it is important for you to subscribe to my vlog channel if you haven't already. I'll leave a link down below so you can subscribe to that channel because I'm either going to post it on there or post it on here. So if you don't want to miss all the fun, please go ahead and subscribe to that channel. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, then go ahead and do that. With that being said, let's get into the actual haul. This time I didn't go crazy. You guys know I always have bags and bags of stuff. But this time I didn't go crazy because I actually want to take my time when it comes to Christmas decor. But the thing is, they have all these cute stuff at the Dollar Tree. And as I told you guys, anything that's good at the Dollar Tree does not last. So I found these really cute Christmas pieces, and I know they're not gonna last. So I just had to grab them because I know that the next time I go there, it's gonna be gone. That's usually how the Dollar Tree works. So I just want to show you guys what these things are. I have one little bag this time, but don't you worry, there's a lot of stuff in here that is going to excite you. So the first group of things I want to show you guys are my Christmas ornaments. Number one is this one right here. Let me show you guys up close. It says love. This thing is so pretty. It looks like someone actually put some time into making it because it has the little wood thing that says love, and then it has a little flower thing on it. Let me show you guys. This is so cute, and trust me, this is not gonna last because the Dollar Tree always have the regular Christmas ornaments, like the little round balls, the golds and the greens and the silvers and all of that. But these kind of things do not last because they're very cute and they're very unique. So I have this one that says love because that's what Christmas is all about. And I got another one of it similar to that one, this one, that says joy. Can you imagine this just hanging on your Christmas tree? I think I'm gonna do a white Christmas tree this year. I don't know, I did a white one last year as well. I was thinking about a pink one this year, but I don't want to be too girly because some people are starting to complain. Anyways, but I might keep the white tree and just put whatever I want on it. But yeah, this one says joy. The next one is the same kind, but this one says peace, because Lord knows we need peace all over the world. So I have peace, I have love, and I have joy. Ooh, that sounds good. I have peace, I have love, and I have joy. In Jesus' name I do. Amen. Okay. Next on the list is this little owl. This guy right here. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that very well. But this is so cute, y'all. I've never seen one like this before. It just has a lot of cute little details. Next one, y'all. This is Santa himself, and it says Merry Christmas. How cute is this? Oh my God, when I saw this one, this is Christmas right here. Like, where are you gonna find a cute thing like this for $1? Usually the unique pieces like this at other stores are really expensive. So if you want to get something this cute and this unique, you're probably going to pay anywhere from $5 and up. So I just thought I should grab this because, like I said, if I go back the next time or around Christmas time, they might bring a lot more stuff around that time, but I don't want to trust it. So I just went ahead and got the ones that I like. That's one thing about shopping. When you go shopping and you have the money, if you find something you like, go ahead and buy it, because if you go back the next time, there's a good chance it's not going to be there, and you're going to beat yourself up for it if you're anything like me, because you're always going to be thinking, I should have got it, I should have got it, I should have got it. Anyways, moving on to the next one. This right here, it's kind of like a little jar. It's also an ornament, but it's like a little jar, so it's like a mason jar. So I thought this was perfect because you can actually open it up and put stuff in here for someone, and you can put anything in there. You can put earrings or candy, chocolate, you know, any kind of little gift that you have, you can put it in here, maybe put a label on it, or you can dress this up as you want. This is really cool, and it's really, really unique as well. So this is a great way to give, you know, a small little gift to someone. Next on the list is this cute little sleigh. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this one. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? It's a sleigh. Anyways, this is a sleigh. It's also an ornament. This is so cute, y'all. I don't know how they made a tiny little sleigh like this, and for only $1. I mean, come on. Like, these people actually put some thought and some work into these things, because these are so cute. You would never think that something like this is $1, but it is. Next on the list is another little ornament. Look at this one. You might not be able to see this one because it's blending into my sweater. Maybe if I put my hand against it. But this is a cute little ornament, and this is kind of like a jingle bell. So you hear that? Don't you just want it to be Christmas? I really like Christmas, but let me be honest, I don't like the snow. I like it if it's not snowing. I can do cold, but I can't do snow. It's so messy when it snows out, and I just don't like to drive. And for those of you guys who don't know, I live in the state of Ohio, which is like snow central, and I just can't deal with it. I know everybody's like, oh, I want a white Christmas, I want a white Christmas, but I feel like it's people who don't live in states that have snow. I don't care too much what kind of Christmas it is, as long as it's Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. The next few things on the list are these ribbons. So first I'll show you this one. So this one says ho ho ho, it says joy, it says merry, it says Christmas, it says love. It just says a whole bunch of Christmas things on it. So this one you can actually dress up your gift boxes with. You can also use this for your Christmas tree. I mean, you can use this for whatever you want. I just thought this was really cute, and this is really long as well. It is 9 feet long, so you can get a lot of uses out of this. The next one is this cute little one right here. You might not be able to see this one, but this one is white and gold. So it says love, it says peace, it says joy, and it also says Merry Christmas. Surprise, surprise. These are really cute as well, and it's also 9 feet long. I really like this one, guys, just because it has that expensive looking gold on it, and it has the Christmas white. So the very last thing on the list is this little guy right here. So this little guy, I usually don't get this. I think I'm just gonna set this on my TV, you know, dresser stand thing. I've never actually gotten one of these for Christmas. So there's usually the really big tall ones, but I just thought this little one was really cute. I can either turn this into an ornament and just hang it on the tree, or I can just set it up on something and it stands by itself. How cute is that? anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I usually get a whole bunch of stuff, but as I said, I didn't want to go too crazy this time because I know that there's still going to be a lot of Christmas stuff to get, and I don't want to get everything right now and end up having too much to be able to buy new stuff. So I just went ahead and got the stuff that I actually like. But if you do want to check out the Dollar Tree, they have their Christmas stuff out now, right now. They have everything you need for Christmas and it's out. So I encourage you to go there as fast as you can, because as I always say, anything that's good at the Dollar Tree does not last. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And if you haven't already subscribed to my vlog channel as well, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can go ahead and subscribe. And also guys, please share the video. Share the video so we can continue to grow. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.